Cuts are blunt instruments. They scream, "Hey, look over here." Rack focus is different. It's more surgical. It whispers, "You're realizing something." It's a completely different feeling, and in many cases, way more powerful. Today, I'm going to show you what rack focus actually does to a story, because most people treat it like a camera trick. It isn't. It is narrative control, and it accomplishes 5 very specific things. The first thing a rack focus does is force the audience to connect 2 ideas.
I already told you I wasn't there.
Hey, see what happened? You didn't cut. You didn't underline it with music. You just forced the audience to connect the dots. That creates an aha moment. The brain completes the circuit itself, and that just feels intelligent. The second thing a rack focus does is reveal subtext.
Then you won't mind if we check the security cameras.
See, now the reaction is the story, not the line. The dialogue says one thing, the reaction tells the truth. You didn't cut from the detective to the suspect, you just moved the audience's attention. You shifted the power to the listener. Now that's subtext without exposition. Rack focus also feels natural because it behaves like perception. In the real world, we don't see everything sharp at once. Our eyes jump, they adjust. Humans are biologically wired to look at whatever is in sharp focus. So rack focus hijacks that instinct. By deliberately controlling how fast that focus shifts, you aren't just mimicking human vision, you are weaponizing it to build suspense. The cool thing about a rack focus is it also allows you to tell multiple beats without cutting.
I know you know something, and I know you're afraid to talk, but trust me, we can protect you.
Beat 1, foreground characters are talking, smiling. Rack focus, shadowy figure ends behind them. The audience feels the dread before the character does. That's storytelling rhythm without breaking performance. You're editing without cutting. That's power. Most beginners think horizontally, left, right. Rack focus uses depth. Foreground, middle ground, background. You're telling the audience this world has layers.
At first I thought it was you. Cool as winter. Not a tremor in the hand. Not a crack in the mask. Then I looked at you. The quiet ones always worry me. A man can hide a lot behind a melody. And then there's you. Sweating through your shirt, looking like you'd confess to stealing the moon if I asked twice. But fear doesn't make you guilty, it just makes you useful.
A cut tells the audience what changed. A rack focus lets your audience discover what changed. If you want your scenes to feel intelligent, stop cutting for every beat. Start moving meaning inside the frame. If you're interested in learning more visual storytelling tips like this, camera language, shot design, how directors actually control attention, then you're in the right place. Over 30 years of professional experience distilled into one YouTube channel. Hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next episode. My name is Vinny, and this is Ink and Grow Rage.